Good day, guys. This is just gonna be a quick video here. I just got these ones here. The Samsung QVO, which is an 8 TB drive. I was hesitant of using this drive here because I was thinking if I'm going to use this for an external drive, I might need external power like a plug or anything. So yeah, I just jumped the gun and got this. And the thing is, I've seen in some forums that you can use an external drive without power supply. So I was thinking of using it for my M1 Mac Studio as an external space. Or when I'm traveling and we're shooting a lot of weddings and we go around a terabyte of 4K 60 or more, sometimes on weddings. So yeah, I just got these ones here, which is the U Green external drive, like an enclosure. So yeah, I'm happy to report that it works, though I just got this now. I'm going to try to test it in the next few days. Hopefully it's not going to have problems. I was really skeptical because I might need an enclosure with a power supply on it. But yeah, this works. Also, I was eyeing on the OWC, but it was a bit pricey. So yeah, I got this, just confirmed. But I'll try to test this in the next few days. If it's good or it's going to have problems. But we'll see how this goes. And yeah, just to take note also, I'm not sponsored or I don't know, I'm not sponsored or anything with these companies. I'm just using them now, and I'm just reporting this so that you could try it. And if you have any questions, just drop it, send it over to the comments below. But yeah, so this one works. Yeah, not sponsored. Anyway, I ran out of words. See you next time, guys. Bye.